Hi, my name's Matt Page. I'm the service manager with Patrick Mini. I'm here to talk to you about the change in temperature coming that can also affect your tire pressures. As the weather gets cold, the air will also contract, which causes your tire pressures to have a loss. If you're concerned of this and you'd like us to check the tire pressures for you, please stop by at any time for one of our trained Mini technicians to check your tire pressure and get it adjusted for you accordingly. Having low tire pressure will affect the integrity of your tire. It'll affect the safety of your vehicle and can also cause uneven and quicker tire wear. So we do recommend making sure you adjust your tire pressure accordingly. If you open your driver's door, look in the door jamb, you'll see a sticker that shows the correct tire pressure of the car. That's where we want to adjust it to. So again, if you want to stop by at any time, have one of our Mini trained technicians check your pressure. We'd love to do that for you right away. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.